making blackberry chicken legs. Let's take a look and see what we need. Okay, this is what we're going to need for our blackberry chicken legs. I've got 10 chicken legs I've taken the skin off of. I've got a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I've got 10 ounces of blackberries in corn syrup. And I've got about 2 tablespoons of just regular maple syrup. So what I'm going to do is bake the chicken legs at 350 or 375, I guess, for about 30 minutes. I'm going to mix all the other ingredients in a pan and reduce it down to make our glaze. I'll then toss them together. We'll be ready to go. Let's get started. And there we have it, blackberry chicken legs. Give it a try. Thanks for watching the VittleVlog. We'll see you next time.
Yummy.